Looking for the best carpet cleaner machine to keep your carpet spotless in 2026? Whether you're dealing with pet stains, muddy footprints, spills, or everyday dirt, the right carpet cleaner can make a huge difference. In today's video, we've researched and compared the top 5 best carpet cleaner machines of 2026 based on cleaning performance, ease of use, drying time, durability, and overall value. We'll break down the pros and cons of each model to help you find the perfect option for your home and budget. So, if you're ready to bring your carpets back to life and make cleaning easier than ever, stay tuned because one of these machines could be exactly what you're looking for. And don't forget, links to all the products featured in this video are available in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Let's get started. 5. VacMaster SCB 301 tackle tough stains and everyday messes with ease using this powerful portable spot cleaner. Designed for deep cleaning carpets, rugs, upholstery, furniture, and vehicle interiors, it quickly removes stubborn spots and stains to restore surfaces to their best condition. The extra-long 6-foot hose provides extended reach, making it easy to clean hard-to-access areas without hassle. Its lightweight, portable design allows you to lift and carry it anywhere. Spills happen, while the built-in hose cleaning tool helps keep the machine fresh and ready for the next job. Compact enough to fit neatly in a closet or cabinet, it also features a convenient grab-and-go handle for effortless storage and transport. Includes a 3.5-inch cleaning tool, hose cleaning tool, and an 8/0 trial-size cleaning formula to get started right away. For you want Y100 experience deep and efficient cleaning with the upgraded 18 kPa powerful suction spot cleaner, delivering 50% higher cleaning performance than standard 15 kPa models. Its strong suction removes stubborn stains and embedded dirt from carpets, leaving surfaces cleaner, fresher, and faster drying with no lingering odors. The innovative 2-in-1 water tank design combines clean and dirty water compartments into a convenient 41/0 system, allowing easy one-handed maintenance and reducing cleaning interruptions. More than just a carpet cleaner, this versatile machine sprays, scrubs, and extracts dirt from upholstery, car interiors, pet beds, mattresses, and other fabric surfaces throughout your home. It comes complete with a high-density brush head, silicone brush, velvet brush, self-cleaning brush head, and specialized cleaning solution to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Compact and lightweight, the cleaner is easy to carry, use, and store, fitting neatly into kitchen cabinets, living room closets, sideboards, and other small storage spaces. 3. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe. Experience professional-grade carpet and upholstery cleaning without the expense of hiring a service with the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Equipped with 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes, it lifts and removes deep-set dirt, stains, and pet messes from multiple angles, while heat force technology helps carpets dry faster so you can get back to enjoying your home. Its versatile design includes an 8-foot hose and specialized upholstery, pet, and crevice tools, making it easy to clean carpets, stairs, furniture, car interiors, and hard-to-reach areas. Dual tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring every pass uses fresh cleaning solution, while AutoMix automatically creates the ideal water-to-solution ratio for consistent cleaning performance. Complete with a sample Hoover cleaning solution, the Power Scrub Deluxe provides everything needed for a deeper, fresher clean from day one. For optimal results, pair it with Hoover's specialized carpet shampoo formulas to tackle everyday stains, pet accidents, and high-traffic areas with confidence. 2 Shark PX202 BRN tackle tough stains and stubborn odors anywhere in your home with the Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Engineered with innovative Stain Striker technology, this powerful cleaner combines 2 formulas on contact to deliver up to 20x more stain-removing power compared to traditional premixed solutions. Whether you're cleaning carpets, area rugs, upholstery, stairs, or even car interiors, the included 4 specialized cleaning tools make it easy to target every type of mess. Its ultra-powerful suction lifts embedded dirt, spills, pet accidents, and deep-set stains from carpet fibers while eliminating odors at the source instead of simply masking them. Weighing under 9 pounds, the compact and portable design lets you quickly grab, clean, and store with ease. Complete with a crevice tool, 3.5-inch stain eliminator, 7-inch XL stain eliminator, Pet Mess Extractor, Deep Clean Pro Formula, and Oxy Multiplier Formula, the Shark Stain Striker is the ultimate solution for restoring freshness and cleanliness throughout your home. 1. Bissell Little Green Mini. Keep your home fresh, clean, and pet-friendly with the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Every purchase helps save pets by supporting Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to rescue and care for animals in need. Designed to tackle tough spills, pet accidents, and everyday messes, this powerful cleaner sprays, scrubs, and suctions away embedded dirt while helping remove dander, dust, and pollen allergens from your living space. More than just a carpet cleaner, it effectively refreshes upholstery, car interiors, pet beds, stairs, and other soft surfaces. The package includes a 4-inch tough stain tool with a removable lens, a Hydro-Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, and an 8/0 bottle of Bissell Little Green formula that instantly and permanently removes stains while eliminating household odors. Its compact design allows for easy storage in cabinets and closets, making it the perfect cleaning solution for pet owners and busy households. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best carpet cleaner machines of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect machine to keep your carpets fresh, spotless, and looking like new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. We've included links to all the carpet cleaner machines featured in this video in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.